My greetings to all of you on this International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Friends, this is a very important day which is being observed in many countries across the world. This is, as all of you know, is an international matter. It is an international issue because there are several angles in the drug issue. Not only that youth and the people who are addicted to it, they spoil their future, their health, their families. But it is a major problem in law and order machinery. It is a problem connected to the terrorism. It's a problem connected to political instability, and it's a problem which is connected with lot of criminal gangs working together. So therefore, we must pay attention not only individually but collaboratively. Collaboratively, not only from the central government and state governments, but a country to country, because many of these drug syndicates have got global link-ups, and that is why we need to work together. So I hope this International Day will be a beginning in this effort. I know that the United Nations has brought out this World Drug Report 2019, in which they have estimated that more than 3.5 crore people across the world are addicted and they are in serious hazardous health conditions. And unfortunately, this number has been increasing year to year and in many countries very rapidly. So we need to take this challenge head on and then work out strategies which will cover at least 3 different segments. First segment is, of course, controlling of the supply. How can we cut the supplies? As I said, that many of them are global syndicates. They have supply chains which are running through various countries. So we need to identify them and then cut them mercilessly. Many countries have taken serious action on that, and they have also found that there are some good results out of it. But I think there is a lot of work which is yet to be done in this. Our Narcotics Control Bureau has done excellent work in this regard, and the path is very clear that we will work on this till such time that we will seal our borders from the international syndicates bringing drugs into the country. Friends, on the second very important aspect is about how do we reduce demand for drugs. Here there is a role of community. Where communities have participated, the addiction levels are less. Where the communities have fought against some of the evils like drinking, they have managed to bring it down. So we need to involve community in a proactive manner, and we have to educate them, we have to organize them, and then bring them into fore in this battle against the drugs. We also have to work with the youth who are there in the higher educational institutions, in schools. We must tell them very clearly the problem of touching the drugs, and then we need to, this education process has to really go on a very big way. We are actually working in 272 districts where we want to launch this campaign in the schools, colleges, universities, and also in the community this year. Friends, the third thing is about the treatment. Unless the person who has by mistake walked into the trap of the drugs, unless he is assisted, he is counseled, he is provided treatment so that he will come out of it successfully, I think we will not be able to make much headway. So we need to set up de-addiction centers in every government hospital, so that the people who are addicted to it, they can seek help and then get out of this habit. As you know, this ministry has been financing several de-addiction centers called IRCAs, and this year onwards we are going to open 125 centers in the government hospitals with the help of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And these treatment facilities, along with the other government hospitals, should be able to serve the people who are facing this problem effectively. Friends, therefore, we need to work on all the 3 aspects in a systematic way, in a synergetic way, and we must bring collaborative effort in order to face this drug menace in an effective way. Today is a very important day for us because we are starting, as our minister has already explained, we are starting a campaign in 272 districts which are having the drug problem in a major way, and that is going to be a starting point for a major campaign by which we want to rid this country of these opioids and other synthetic drugs which are spoiling the future of our youth. So I wish you all the very best on this day, and then wish that today we will come up with a very systematic and a strategic plan in order to take our efforts forward. Thank you.